Oh no. Ah! Get off me, you fool!
Oh, hey! Didn't expect to find you here. And I really didn't expect to find her here.
Hey, you listen to me, bird. The king can never hear of this. We are going to forget this ever happened.
Ow!
Are you listening to me?
Yes,
You won't tell him, I won't tell him, and I will stay in one piece. You got it?
got it. Sorry, what'd you say again?
I'm a dead crab.
What would I give to live where you are? What would I pay to stay here beside you? What would I do to see you smiling at me? Where would we walk? Where would we run if we could stay all day in the sun? Just you and me, and I could be part of your world.
Take the car away! Taking the car! Eyes peeled. On the other side. Move it, lads. Follow me. Over here! He's alive! Alert the Queen!
I don't know where, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your
No, it's too easy. She's already in love with the human world, and now she found her soulmate. Oh, wait until Daddy finds out. He's gonna hit the surface. That little girl's gonna run straight into my tentacles. Then I'll use her as a pawn in my little game. And finally, get to rip the power away from Triton. It should have been mine all along.